Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on Brave rewards. Okay. So first up, go ahead and open up your Brave browser. And once you're in here, as you can see at the top right, besides the URL section and Brave Shield, you have here the Brave rewards icon. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Just go ahead over to the URL box and type in Brave :/rewards. Okay. Again, Brave :/rewards, and just hit on enter. Now again, if you do have this icon, just click on it, and there will be some easy prompts. Just follow it and just click on connect account. Okay, when you click on connect account, it will ask you to connect either your Phantom or other Solana wallet, or create a Brave wallet. Okay, so just click on this option. Or if you don't want to create your wallet right now, well, don't worry. When Brave rewards right here is on, it will just automatically detect the ads that you've watched. Okay, that's basically it. And you will be able to see that it's turned on when it caught a color. If it's grayed out, well, it's turned off. Again, just complete the onboarding process, like selecting your region and again connecting the wallet. And once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.